Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that I think we can all relate to, something that can make or break your next trip, something that's absolutely essential to nailing that long international flight. Yeah, you guessed it. We're diving deep into the best travel outfits for long flights. Listen, I've been on more flights than I can count. Red eyes, long hauls, you name it, I've lived it. And let me tell you, nothing, and I mean nothing, is worse than being stuck in a cramped seat for 10 plus hours in an outfit that's basically a torture device. We're talking itchy tags, restricted movement, the whole 9 yards. So today, we're going to break down exactly what to wear on your next long flight so you can stay comfortable, stylish, and maybe even catch a few winks on the way to your destination. Let's do this. All right, first things first, we got to talk about comfort. When you're crammed into a metal tube hurtling through the air at 30,000 feet, comfort is non-negotiable. And the key to staying comfortable on a long flight is layers, layers, layers. Think about it. The temperature on a plane can be totally unpredictable. One minute you're sweating in a stuffy cabin, the next you're freezing your butt off because the AC is blasting. That's why layering is essential. Start with a comfortable base layer, something breathable and soft against your skin. A simple cotton t-shirt or tank top works perfectly. Then add a light sweater or sweatshirt. I'm talking merino wool or cashmere, something that's warm but not bulky. And the piece de resistance, a lightweight, packable jacket. This is your secret weapon against the dreaded airplane chill. Look for something that's water-resistant and windproof, just in case you encounter any unexpected weather on your journey. Remember, layering is all about adaptability. You can easily add or remove layers as needed to regulate your temperature and stay comfortable throughout your flight. Plus, having multiple layers gives you more outfit options when you reach your destination. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey. This layering thing sounds great, but won't I look like a walking marshmallow? Trust me, it's all about choosing the right fabrics and fits. Opt for slim-fitting base layers and avoid anything too loose or bulky. And when it comes to your jacket, choose something that's streamlined and flattering. Remember, comfort doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. So, to recap, your layering strategy should look something like this. A breathable base layer, a warm mid-layer, and a lightweight, packable jacket. With this winning combination, you'll be ready to tackle any temperature changes that come your way. And trust me, your body will thank you for it. There's nothing worse than being stuck on a long flight feeling uncomfortable and restricted. Layering allows you to move freely, adjust to temperature changes, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. So ditch the restrictive clothing and embrace the power of layers. Your mind, body, and fellow passengers will thank you for it. All right, let's talk shoes, specifically the best shoes for surviving a long flight. And my friends, there's one clear winner in this category, slip-on shoes. Look, I get it, laces can add a certain je ne sais quoi to an outfit, but on a long flight, they're nothing but a nuisance. Fumbling with laces in a cramped airplane seat is a special kind of torture. Plus, let's be real, ain't nobody got time for that when you're trying to make a mad dash for the bathroom or sprint to your next gate during a layover. Slip-on shoes, on the other hand, are the epitome of convenience and comfort. They're easy to get on and off, which is crucial when you're dealing with airport security or just want to give your feet some air during a long flight. But don't think for a second that comfort means sacrificing style. There are tons of stylish slip-on options out there, from classic loafers to trendy sneakers. The key is to find a pair that's both comfortable and supportive, with a little bit of personality to elevate your travel look. And hey, if you're worried about your feet getting cold on the plane, just pack a pair of cozy socks in your carry-on. Problem solved. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey. I'm not about to sacrifice style for comfort. Are there any slip-on shoes that actually look good? Absolutely. There's a whole world of stylish slip-on shoes out there, from sleek leather loafers to minimalist sneakers. Look for brands that prioritize both comfort and design, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect pair for you. Remember, your shoes are an important part of your overall travel look. They can make or break an outfit, so choose wisely. So ditch the laces and embrace the freedom and comfort of slip-on shoes. Your feet will thank you for it. Let's talk fabrics, people. When it comes to long flights, breathable fabrics are your new best friend. We're talking materials that allow your skin to breathe and prevent you from feeling like you're trapped in a sauna. Trust me, nothing ruins a travel experience faster than feeling hot, sticky, and uncomfortable. That's why it's crucial to choose fabrics that will keep you cool, dry, and feeling fresh throughout your journey. So, what are the best breathable fabrics for travel? Let's break it down. First up, we have cotton. It's a classic for a reason. Cotton is soft, breathable, and relatively inexpensive. It's a great option for base layers, t-shirts, and even lightweight pants. Next, we have linen. Linen is another natural fiber that's known for its breathability and moisture-wicking properties. It's a great choice for warmer climates and can add a touch of sophistication to your travel wardrobe. And for those who want the ultimate in performance and comfort, there's merino wool. Yes, wool. I know what you're thinking, wool, but it's hot. Hear me out. Merino wool is a special breed of sheep known for its incredibly soft and breathable fleece. It's naturally moisture-wicking, odor-resistant, and temperature-regulating, meaning it will keep you cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold. Plus, it's super comfortable against the skin. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey. This is all great information, but how do I actually incorporate these fabrics into my travel outfits? It's simple. Start with a base layer of cotton or merino wool. Add a linen shirt or a lightweight cotton sweater. And for your pants, choose a comfortable pair of cotton chinos or linen trousers. And remember, avoid synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon. They might be wrinkle-resistant, but they don't breathe well and can trap sweat and odors. So there you have it. The power of breathable fabrics. Choose wisely, my friends, and your skin will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk about a travel essential that often gets overlooked: compression socks. I know, they don't exactly scream stylish traveler, but trust me, these bad boys are secret weapons when it comes to surviving long flights. Here's the deal. When you're sitting for extended periods, like on a long flight, your blood circulation can take a hit. This can lead to swollen ankles, tired legs, and even more serious issues like deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. Compression socks work by gently squeezing your legs, which helps to improve blood flow and prevent these problems. Think of them like a hug for your legs, but with actual health benefits. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey. Compression socks are for old people, not adventurous travelers like me. And to that I say, think again. Compression socks come in all sorts of styles and colors these days. You can find them in fun patterns, bright colors, and even athletic designs. Plus, they're not just for preventing DVT. Compression socks can also help to reduce leg fatigue, prevent swelling, and even improve your athletic performance. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time flyer, do yourself a favor and pack a pair of compression socks for your next long flight. Your legs will thank you for it. And hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even rock them as a fashion statement. Just kidding. Or am I? Seriously though, compression socks are a small investment that can make a big difference in your comfort and well-being, especially on long flights. Don't underestimate their power. Alright, let's talk about the MVP of any travel wardrobe, the travel jacket. This isn't just any ordinary jacket, my friends. This is a jacket that's been specifically designed to make your travels smoother, more comfortable, and dare I say, more stylish. A good travel jacket is like having a trusty sidekick by your side, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. It's your shield against the elements, your storage unit on the go, and your secret weapon for looking effortlessly put together. But with so many travel jackets on the market, how do you choose the right one for you? Here are a few key things to look for. First and foremost, functionality. A good travel jacket should have plenty of pockets, both internal and external, to store all your essentials. We're talking passports, phones, wallets, snacks, you name it. Next, consider the fabric. Look for something that's lightweight, breathable, and wrinkle-resistant. Water resistance is also a major plus, especially if you're traveling to destinations with unpredictable weather. And of course, you can't forget about style. A travel jacket should be functional, yes, but it should also make you feel confident and put together. Look for a jacket that fits well, flatters your body type, and complements your personal style. Remember, you're going to be wearing this jacket a lot, so it's important to choose one that you actually like looking at. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey. Finding the perfect travel jacket sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it can be. But trust me, the effort is worth it. A good travel jacket is an investment that will pay off in spades, making your travels more comfortable, organized, and stylish. So, take your time, do your research, and find the travel jacket of your dreams. You won't regret it. And there you have it, my friends. The ultimate guide to dressing for long flights. Remember, comfort is key, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. With a little planning and the right outfit, you can arrive at your destination feeling refreshed, confident, and ready to explore. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for your next adventure. And remember, the most important thing is to wear what makes you feel good. Because when you feel good, you look good. Safe travels, everyone! Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel advice. Safe travels!